Okay, I'm going to make a sore throat mouthwash gargle. I have the Toothache Plant leaf, a small handful, 1 Toothache Plant flower, a basil, and some thyme. And we're going to cut this up and put it in the mason jar. Okay, I have it all cut up in the jar, and I'm going to let it set for just a few minutes to let it wilt a little bit. And I've got some water boiling, and then we'll pour the water over it. Okay, I've let it set. The water is boiled, and I let it set. And then we're just going to pour this in here. I'm going to fill it up. I'm close to it. You want to make sure that all the leaves and the flour is down in the water. I'm going to cap it and then let it set out on the table until it's room temperature. Okay, we're back. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have let it set until room temperature. You only want it to set about 10-15 minutes. And then you're going to let it strain. Make sure you get all the leaves and flowers. And you want to press this. Okay, and then once it's to room temperature, you can use it as your mouthwash gargle.